Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to iPhone 13 Plus. Begin with opening Play Store on an Android and App Store on iPhone. Then click on the search bars, type in Send Anywhere, and install this free app from this developer. When it's ready, open it. Now, in order to use Send Anywhere app on iPhone, click on Allow access to all photos. Then select the best options for you in those two pop-ups. Click on Yes, I agree or No thanks and tap on Close this window. Lastly, tap on OK in this pop-up. Now, in order to use it on an Android, you need to tap on I accept, confirm, continue, and allow. Then choose Receive on iPhone over here next to Send, and Send at the bottom left corner of your Android. From here, tap on all of those type of dots and tap on Send. This way you will select all of those files and transfer them later on. It will take some time though to do it now, so I will go with only this one photo, choose Send, and click on Got It. As you can see from here, we have the connection ways. We can input this key over here and then tap on Receive button, or we can scan QR code. In order to scan it, click on this scanning icon on iPhone, choose OK in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. And as you can see now, after a couple of seconds, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!